bag, but I'm in his too. And that's why every time you see me, I got some new shoes. Look, bitch, I'm a star, got these niggas wishing. He say he hungry, this pussy the kitchen. Yeah, that's my doubt, he gon' sit down and listen.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Key and I am back with another video. As you can see in the title, today we're going to be doing trying out 5 different types of the Korean noodles. So I have the stew type, the cheese type, the black bean, and then I got the 2-time spicy. And then I went to the Asian market to get these, and they did not have the carbonara ones. So them will be in the mail. I ordered them off Amazon and they will be here tomorrow, so I will be doing them ones tomorrow, but I'm going to do these for today. So here we go. Y'all, I never had the cup noodles, so I'm hoping that they taste the same as these ones. They didn't have these ones in the cup, they only had the 2 times in the bag at the Asian market. So hopefully the cups taste the same as the packet, because usually the packets always taste better, you know. So I'm praying that they all taste the same. Y'all ignore my hair because I have a hair appointment tomorrow, but you know. Alright, so let's get into the video trying out these noodles. Yeah, I'm so excited because I never tried the cheese. I never tried none of these. The only ones that I tried is the 2-time spicy and then a black packet, which is the original, and them are my 2 favorite noodles, some of my go-to noodles. So I definitely want to try these, and I heard that the carbonara ones are really good, so I really want to try those ones tomorrow. So I'm so excited. So let's get into the video. Alright you guys, so I cooked up the first thing of noodles, and this is the black bean one. And y'all, okay, so with my noodles, I can't have dry noodles, so this is what without the sauce. So I'm having to keep a little bit of water. And then I'm really picky, like I cannot, you know how McBangers, whatever, how they be putting like all those noodles into their mouth at once. Like I cannot do that, like at all. I cannot have like a lot of noodles in my mouth at once. Only can have a little bit. Ooh. So this is the sauce that we pour in. Ooh. And y'all, these noodles look, in the cups, they look like smaller, if you understand what I'm saying. All right, I'm gonna take this off. So we're gonna mix them. Oh, they black. I mean, it is black bean, but like these noodles look way small. Like, you know, the ones in the packet, they don't look this thin. I should say thin. Gotta mix them up. They don't look this thin. Like these look like thin noodles. The one in the package be bigger. So y'all, is that a difference? But okay. This is what they look like. Let's try them. I'm scared. Black noodles. I never had black bean noodles. Let's try it. Ooh. I don't know. I can't put my hand on it. Like they not bad at all. It's spicy a little bit. I don't think I like how thin the noodles are. Like they super thin. They're not bad though. I wonder if these do the cups taste different than the packets? Do y'all know? These are not bad, y'all. At all. I thought they was gonna be nasty. If I had to rate these out of 5, I would say a 3. I rate these a 3. They not bad at all, honestly. I was scared because of black beans. I never tried them or nothing, but they actually not bad. Okay. Okay. One more. Okay. 3 out of 5. They definitely, it's not bad. Black beans, 3 out of 5. What we're gonna try is the stew. So I left some water in there, and these are some different type of noodles. These ones are thicker, what I'm used to. So let's add our stuff. And then it also comes with this powder. Smell okay. Oh Lord. So I'm gonna mix it up. Maybe I left too much water. This is what it looks like. Let's try it. Try another one. I don't like them. I don't like these. These ones. Try one more. The stew, I'll rate a 0. I'll say a 1 because I don't like them. Them are not for me. Don't like them. Next we're gonna try is the cheese. I heard good things about this cheese one. I heard a lot of people like the cheese and the carbonara, so I'm so ready to try the carbonara ones tomorrow. So this is the cheese packet. And then like, it don't look like I have sauce on them. I poured the whole thing. Let's try it. Like, it don't taste like no sauce on them. Like, I used all this. Yeah, I really think that these the cup ones taste different than the other ones then. Cause this tastes like no sauce. Okay, I can kind of taste it. Ooh. Maybe I kept too much water at the bottom of these, but it's only a little bit of water. I'm just trying it. I can't taste nothing, y'all. I'm gonna say a 3 out of 5. Actually, a 2. 2 out of 5. All right, next is the 2-time spicy packet. I had these before, but y'all, this was so long ago. I forgot. I think I overcooked these noodles too. I think I overcooked. Like, you see the packet noodles, they so thick, and you see how it changes the colors of the noodles. Like the cheese ones did not change the color. I know these gonna be hot, man. Maybe I am leaving too much water, but I like my noodles with water. I don't like dry noodles. Oh my God. These good, of course. These in the original ones are still the best to me. I still want to try the carbonara one. Ooh. But I do not like the stew ones at all. I honestly thought I wasn't gonna like the black bean ones, and I actually like them more than the cheese and the stew. But I think I just put too much water in the cheese ones because I could not taste it, and it tastes like nothing. Oh yeah, these are spicy. Y'all, my bun keep falling. Y'all, it's so hot, but it tastes so good. So good. Ugh. These the best ones. Well, I say, because I haven't tasted carbonara yet, so I'll say the original, then these ones, then the black bean, then the cheese, then the stew, in my opinion. I like these. Tomorrow we'll be trying the carbonara one. All right, you guys, so to be honest, I totally forgot about this video, y'all. I went in my cabinet and I see these noodles and I was like, oh my gosh, I never finished the video. So that's what we're gonna do today. I got these off of Amazon. They finally came, so we're gonna go cook these up and then taste test these. I totally forgot about this video. So the other clip I've been recorded, and then this one is fresh record. You guys, we just hit 1,000 subscribers. Yay! Thank you guys for supporting me. I am doing a giveaway for hitting 1,000 subscribers, so make sure you follow me on my Instagram so you can see how to enter the giveaway. And yeah, let's go cook up these noodles and try them. Here we go, y'all. So I already put the stuff inside them. I already put the stuff inside. I mean, it comes with the hot packet, and it also comes like with a powder packet. I'm scared to try these, y'all, because I didn't leave no water in these ones. Just off the rip, that all the other ones I feel like I left too much water, and that's why I couldn't taste. none of them for real. But yeah, y'all can see. I'm so scared because these noodles are like shaped different. Y'all can see. They shape different than the other noodles. Like they like curly. But okay, let's try them. I'm scared. They might be good. I don't know. They're spicy. They not nasty though, but it's like I think I made them too dry. I don't know. They not nasty. I actually rate them like a 2. To be honest, I like the 2 times spicy and then the black pack, the original spicy. I think I like them 2 the best. And I honestly feel like maybe it's because I need to get the packets instead of the cups. I feel like the packets taste better than the cups. Maybe if y'all know, comment below and let me know if I should just do all packets, because I feel like the cup noodles taste different. Just like the ramen noodles, how the cup tastes different than the packet. I think that these are like the same. But our Asian market, they only had the cup noodles, like I said, and then these ones I have to get off Amazon. I rate that a 2 out of 5. I don't know. I don't really like the other ones. I only like the 2 times spicy and the black pack. Now I eat them all the time. I eat them ones all the time. I love the black pack. But yeah, so that is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If y'all want me to do a video of just doing all the packaged noodles, comment below and let me know, because I honestly feel like they taste different, because these cup ones, they're just not hitting. I don't know what it is, they just not hitting. But I know I love the packaged ones of the spicy ones and the other ones, so maybe that's the problem. I don't know. But anyway, if you're new here, make sure you hit the bell. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And comment below what other videos you guys want to see me do. And yeah, I'll see y'all in the next video. Peace.